Hello parents, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to log your student in for tomorrow's assessment. If you take these steps, it'll help make the login process a lot faster. So you want to have your student go to our homeroom Canvas page, and on our homeroom Canvas page, have them click the red heart that is on the smartboard. Once they click the red heart on the smartboard, it will take them to the math login page. This looks different from the one that we used the past 2 days. For your child's username, they will enter in their student ID number, followed by the student.student.k12.nc.us. The password is capital F, capital W, 2020, and then click Let Me In. This is the screen that your students will see. This is the screen that I would like your student to be on when they log on to Zoom to take their assessment. Please make sure that their microphone is enabled because it will record their reading. If their microphone is not enabled, it will not be able to pick up. Let me know if you have any questions.